Hi, my name is Jill Gaynor. I lead user engagement programs for some of LinkedIn's top global organizations within Talent Solutions. Today, I'm so excited to tell you a little bit more about LinkedIn Team. LinkedIn Team stands for Talent Evangelists and Managers. Our mission is to bring you together to help empower you to be more successful and more productive using LinkedIn's tools and solutions.
Everybody truly cares about who you are as a person, not just your organization. Yes, I'm a client, but you guys care about me and who I am and, my personal success, as well as my professional development with my company.
We come together on a quarterly basis for programming and networking that is designed to help you bring your career to the next level.
I'm a big believer that the collective wisdom is a massive weapon that we should have in our pockets. I will always trust someone who's gone through similar challenges and pains that I have to give me a tidbit of knowledge that will allow me to be better at what I do.
I think it's the work and the rigor that the LinkedIn employees bring and the commitment to our clients that they bring. And it's what our clients take out, the smiles that you see, the I get it now, the I'm gonna do this at work tomorrow. So it's really the pull through and the value that they get from the sessions combined with the efforts of our people that make for me a great experience to be part of.
The most exciting part for me is to connect with other companies and other people that are in the TA program.
So at NBC Universal, we believe working in the team makes us stronger, makes us better. So bringing a team of talent acquisition professionals together is really fantastic.
We are so excited that you've decided to join us. We invite you to come for the networking, but stay for the innovation.